Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my channel, Everything with Bills, and welcome to another video. So today we're going to learn whether or not, and this phrase whether or not can be used in sentences in different ways. And we're just going to discuss all the possibilities of using this phrase whether or not. So let's get started. All right, so the phrase whether or not is basically used when you want to emphasize the presence of a choice or condition. Presence of a choice or condition. It also expresses that nothing can stop something to happen. ठीक है? So हम ये कहाँ यूज करते हैं? हम स्पेशली हम वहाँ यूज करते हैं जहाँ हम किसी चॉइस की मौजूदगी के ऊपर एम्फेसाइज करें, किसी चॉइस की मौजूदगी या किसी कंडीशन के ऊपर हम एम्फेसाइज करें. यानी आसान अल्फाजों में हम ये कहें, यानी जहां कोई भी कंडीशन किसी काम को होने से नहीं रोक सकती हो, वहां हम ये जहां हम ये कहना चाह रहे हैं वहां वेदर और नॉट यूज करते हैं. यानी जहां हम ये कहना चाह रहे हो कि फलां काम जो है उसको होने से कोई भी कंडीशन, कोई भी शर्त नहीं रोक सकती, उसको होना है तो उसको होना ही है. मैंने एक स्ट्रक्चर लिख दिया जो बहुत पॉसिबली यूज होता है. एनी सेंटेंस, वेदर, सब्जेक्ट, वर्ब और एंड नॉट. लेकिन जरूरी नहीं है कि यही स्ट्रक्चर इस्तेमाल हो, ये चेंज भी हो सकता है और ज्यादातर वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म आएगी. और ये स्ट्रक्चर एक हतमी स्ट्रक्चर नहीं है. दिस कैन बी चेंज्ड, एज आई सेड, दिस whether or not can be used in different ways, so we can just discuss two different possibilities in this structure. So let's get the examples to just clarify it. The example number 1 says that I will attend the conference whether or not my colleagues come with me. अब देखें ये तरीकाकार भी है, एक है कि I will attend the conference के फौरन बाद whether or not एक साथ लगा दो. I will attend the conference, मैं conference attend करूंगा, whether or not my colleagues come with me, चाहे मेरे colleagues मेरे साथ आए या ना आए. यानी एक चीज को जाहिर कर रहा है कि कोई भी कंडीशन इस बात को नहीं रोक सकती कि मैं कॉन्फ्रेंस अटेंड करूं. यानी मेरा कॉन्फ्रेंस का अटेंड करना कंफर्म है, इसको कोई बात नहीं रोक सकती, इसको कोई कंडीशन नहीं रोक सकती. मेरे कलीग्स आए ना भी आए, मैं ये अटेंड करूंगा. लेकिन इसको हम ज्यादातर इस तरीके से यूज करते हैं, I will attend the conference whether my colleagues come with me or not. ये ज्यादा ऑथेंटिक और ज्यादा कॉमन तरीकाकार है whether or not का इस्तेमाल करने का, जो मैंने स्ट्रक्चर भी बताया है. The one which I have mentioned over here. See, I will attend this, any sentence, I will attend the conference whether my colleagues come with me or not. So this is the one that I've explained. Sentence number 3 says, she's going to buy the dress whether it is on sale or not. वो ड्रेस खरीदेगी चाहे वो ड्रेस सेल पर है या नहीं है. यानी सेल पर होना ना होना doesn't really matter. Sentence number 4 says that I will take the job offer whether they offer higher salary or not. मैं ये नौकरी कर लूंगा, यानी इस नौकरी को अवेल कर लूंगा, ऑफर को अवेल कर लूंगा, चाहे मुझे वो ज्यादा तनख्वाह दें या ना दें. ज्यादा तनख्वाह ऑफर करें या ना करें, मैं ये सैलरी एक्सेप्ट कर लूंगा या जॉब लेटर ऑफर को एक्सेप्ट कर लूंगा. सो बेसिकली दिस इज the use of the grammatical phrase whether or not. We can use in these two different ways. As the first, I've mentioned that I will attend the conference whether or not my colleagues come with me or not. The second way is more common, which you can say that I've made 3 sentences, 2, 3, and 4. So I hope this is very, very easy for you to understand and very common. I'm sure you would agree that it is very common in a general use and in our daily conversation. We quite often use these kind of sentences. So when you want to show someone that no condition will stop something to happen, or when you want to emphasize over the presence of the choice or over the presence of the condition, you can use this phrase whether or not. I hope you have understood this, and if you've really understood and you think this is a very common thing or common structure to use in our daily life, so please give your sentences, give your examples there in the comment section, and if your sentences are correct, I will drop my message, and if they are incorrect, I'll correct them. So till my next video, take the very best care of yourself. And if you're new on my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and press the bell icon so that you can get my videos notification on time. I do not only make the videos over the grammatical structures or English language. You will find so many videos on my channel regarding Umrah guidance or Umrah information. You will get the Hajj information on my channel. You will get different videos on different, happenings around Karachi or even in some other cities of Pakistan. So I keep on posting some interesting videos so that people can get information and they can at the same time be entertained. So if you're new on my channel, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you're already there on my channel, I would request you to please share this video with your friends, family, so that they can also make the most of this video. So till the next video, take the very best care of yourself. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz. See you soon.